Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, we are told that our propylene glycol has a melting point of negative 59 degrees C, and then it has a boiling point of 188 degrees C. Okay, and we're going to make a new temperature scale based on the properties of that liquid in delta P, degrees P, propylene, I guess, I don't know. And what we're told is that 0.0 degrees P will be equivalent to negative 60 degrees C. Okay. And that 100 degrees P will be equivalent to 190 degrees C. And the question is, and actually these aren't really, this is like superfluous information, it's sort of the motivation. In either case, the question is, if a substance has a temperature of 49.0 degrees P, what is its temperature in degrees C? Right? Basically, what we've got, you could imagine this being, is it's kind of like we have XY pairs, right? Like these are our X's and these are our Y's, right? Imagine if we had a graph and the units of the Y axis were in Celsius and the units of the X axis were in P. And we're told that at 0P, we have negative 60 degrees Celsius. Right? And that's 1 point. And then we're told that 110 degrees P, we have 180 degrees C. Let's say that's up here, right? And so really what we need to do is just find the equation of this line, right? And the reason we need to find the equation of that line, right, is because we know, okay, that's 100. We want to find what that value is in C, basically. Okay. So that's what we're doing mathematically. We're finding what is the equation of the line which describes the relationship between our P degrees and our C degrees. Okay, so how do we do that? Remember, y equals mx plus b form, where b is the y-intercept, or in this case, delta c intercept, and m is the slope. Okay. And how do we find slope? We do rise over run. That is, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or in this case, our y's are delta c's, or our y's are c degrees, and our p's are our x's. Right, so we can do 190 minus negative 60 over 100 minus 0. And we get that our slope is, it's going to be 2.5. It's going to be 250 over 100. Yeah, so 2.5. Right. What's our y-intercept? Well, that's just the negative 60 right there. Right? The y-intercept is whatever y is when x is 0, and we know that it's negative 60. Okay. So the equation that describes this line is degrees C equals 2.5 times degrees P plus, well, really it's minus 60 degrees C. Okay, and we want to know what this is for 49, so we plug a 49 in for degrees P, and we're going to get 2.5 times 49 degrees P. I guess the units of the slope are degrees C per P, right? Because we have degrees C up there and degrees P. Yeah, it says degrees C per degree P. Let me rewrite that here, just so the units work out. 2.5 degrees C over degrees P times 49 minus 60 degrees C. What do we get? It's 62.5. Okay. And actually, that kind of works out with our graphical representation. I tried to draw it somewhat to scale, and this could be believably 62.